Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to print the path from root to leaf in which there is a condition that the sum of all the nodes in that path should be in between low and high. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if we are having a binary tree and let's say the low value is 30 and high value is 60. Okay, so we need to print the path in which the sum of all the nodes should be greater than equals to low and less than equals to high. Okay, less than equals to high. Here is also sum. Okay, so we need to print that path. Okay, so if you are having low is 30, high is 60, then let's say 10 plus 20, 30, 35 and 40. So our one path will be 10, 30, 35 and 10, that is 45. So 45 lies between 30 and 60. Okay, so our path will be 10, 20, 5 and 10. Okay, 5, 5. This is also a path 5, 5 and 10, 20, 30. 30 and 25 is 55 and 2, 57. So this is also lies between 30 and 60. So 10, 20, 25 and 2. Understood? But we can't include this path and we can't include this path. Okay, so how we are going to print this? Basically, we will move from root to leaf, and at leaf node, we will check, including that leaf node value, the value of sum should be lie between 30 and 60. Understood? Whenever we will reach a leaf node, that means a leaf node is a node whose left is also null and right is also null. Okay, the node whose left is also null, right is also null is a leaf node. So we will check, including that leaf node, the value of sum should lie between low and high. Okay, so let's code this problem. Okay, let me remove this. Yeah, so we will write our condition. The condition, if node dot left equals to null. Okay, and node dot right equals to null. If both of these conditions are true, that means we are at the leaf node. Now we have to check if value of sum plus node dot data. Node dot data is adding to sum because we have not added this value. Okay, so this value should be greater than equals to low, and the value of sum plus node dot data should be less than equals to high. If all of these conditions are true, then we need to simply print our path. Okay, and just return. If this condition are false, that in case if we reach a null node, okay, if node is null, then we can't call its left, its right, so we just have to, this condition will come before, because if node is null, then we can't call its left or right. Okay, so if node equals to null, then we just simply return. Okay, now what we have to do, we just have to call its left and right. From root, I will call node dot left, path plus node dot data plus, I will leave some space. After that, sum plus node dot data, low will remain same and high will remain same. I will copy this, I will paste this, and I will call right. Okay, node dot data, sum dot data, low and high. Okay, so this is all about this problem. Let me run this and check if there is syntax error. Okay, we are having wrong answer. Is it so? Oh yeah, we need to add node.data in the path also. Okay, we are adding node.data in sum in path just because whenever we will reach leaf node, then we are checking that yeah, we reached the leaf node. Okay, then we need to add its current value. After that, we will check that the value of sum should lie between low and high, okay, after adding its value. So now if this will work, and just submit the code. Okay, so you understood why we are writing node.data, why we are adding. Let me explain another case. When I tried this question for the first time, I made this mistake, and that's why the output was getting printed two number of times. Okay, let me write the wrong code of this solution. Okay, if node equals to null, the sum node equals to null, and sum plus node dot data, we will not add this if sum is greater than equals to low, and we will simply check sum. What we are doing here is we are just checking whenever, what we are doing here, whenever we will reach leaf node, we will add the value in the sum and path. Okay, we will call its left, then the left is null, means we have crossed the leaf node. Understood? The left is null, right is null, we have crossed the leaf node, then we are just printing its value. But when we will run this code, when I will run this code, you will see that every value we need to print system.out.print, yeah, where I am getting error if node, yeah, no, this condition is false, this condition is false, because we are checking in the last. Okay, if node equals to null, this condition will be here. This is wrong code. Okay, this is not right code. This mistake I made when I am doing this question for the first time. You can see every output is getting printed two number of times. This is because whenever we will reach a leaf node, then its left call will also called and right will also called, and both of left and right are null. Understood? So this condition will be true, and if that leaf node is correct, then these conditions will also get true. So for left also we will get an output, for right also we will get an output. So for both of the cases we will get printed the output. But we need to print this only one number of times. That's why we will stop at the leaf node. We will not move to its left and right. Understood? So this is all about this problem. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.